Shenzhen Ruixin Glassware Company Limited is a very professional glassware supplier and has been in this field over 17 years. Our main products are glass cup, beer glass cup, wine glass, whiskey glass, shot glass, double wall glass cup, glass candle holder jar, glass vase, glass bowl, and different shaped glassware. We can also customize various glass products according to clients' drawings. We have head office in Shenzhen and have decoration factory in Shanxi. We can do electroplating, sandblasting, automatic color spray, hand-painted, silk screen crafts, multiple processing methods, and our factory has a big hand-painted processing line in China. Welcome to visit our factory and our head office at any time. Creation and innovation are our company core competence. We have a big R&D department team. Our latest developing designs are well welcomed by many different customers. Some samples are for free. Small OEM orders are also accepted. Our glass factory is in the same industrial park as our decoration factory, and only 5-kilometer distance. This helps us to control the glass finished quality and delivering date very well. Quality is our culture. We have our professional sales team and strict quality control system. In past 17 years, this helped us to win a good reputation during our new and old clients. Quality and creation help us to far and go further. Choose Ruixin, choose better life.